Hello, my friends. Kitchen Soul is back with so many shots. Look at this wonder. What do we have here? The one which was made. So this is Chioti Dal, also called as Chow Chow Dal in India, the southern part of India, and we have a tamarind-based moringa chutney, which is so good to eat and very good for your overall health. And then we have cucumber sabzi, which is again delicious, and cucumber, as you know, has variety of benefits. And there goes our lunch. Have it with rice or flat bread. As you can see, chapati, naan, as you say. So there goes the lunch. What could you have? Alright, signing out from Kitchen Soul. Like, share, and subscribe. Please do, because so many wonderful dishes await you. At least 200 more or 300. Oh, the list goes on. Bye bye.